Today is Sunday, July 27th. This is the 1959 Cadillac Power Seat 6-way control module. This is the control module that provides 8 degrees of freedom and what General Motors refers to as the 6-way power switch. So this is for my friend Dan, and the unit was sent in to me for restoration, and the unit was completely disassembled, everything corrected, and I'm going to be doing a functional validation test under power. We'll be looking for the light bulb here to come on, and I'll go ahead and first test the forward tilt, tilt up, tilt down. Now we'll test the rear tilt, tilt up, tilt down. Now we'll test the linear actuation, forward, back, forward, back, and as is also controlled by the center joystick, the unified rise and the unified lowering. Unified rise, unified lowering, forward, rear, tilt up, tilt down, tilt up, tilt down. Okay, this is the 1959 Cadillac Power Seat Actuating Control Module. Okay, this particular unit is mounted in the armrest bezel plate, the escutcheon chrome bezel plate in 1959. This is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1976, all the way through 78 for the Eldorados. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the entire power seat mechanisms, that is, with the exclusion of just doing the controllers on occasion for friends, and other critical, hard-to-source, original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Sunday, July 27th. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.